In this video, I'll show you how to fix Google Chrome slow download speed. To get started, for the first method, you'll need to go ahead and open Chrome flags. So on the Chrome search field, go ahead and search for Chrome : // and click on the enter button to search for that on Google Chrome. In this area, we just need to search for parallel downloading. You can simply use the search bar to search for that flag or look for that in this available section. So we just simply search for that and set this parallel downloading into enabled. So we'll find parallel downloading as the first search result. So we just need to set this into enabled and relaunch Google Chrome. So this is the first method, but for the second method, what we'll need to do is to go ahead and right click the Windows icon at the bottom left of our screen and click on that run button from that pop-up that will pop. Now on the run application, simply enter ncpa.cpl on this field and click on that OK button. This will pop up on your screen. So in here, you just simply need to right click on the current internet connection that your device is connected to. So as for me, my device is currently connected to the Wi-Fi. I'll simply right click on the Wi-Fi internet connection and click on properties from here. So this will take me into this section. So in this section, you'll need to look for TCP/IPv4 and click on that. So you need to set your IPv4. Click on properties, and in here you need to use the following DNS server address. The IP address is actually okay to be set automatically. For the DNS address, you need to set this preferred DNS server in 2111. So you need to set this to that. Now we need to set the alternate DNS server in 21001. After you set this up, click on that OK button, and that is how you can basically fix Google Chrome slow download speed. If this video helped you out, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.